All right, so we're gonna make some customized gift bags. I have Walmart gift bag here. It's 7 by 10 by 5. So I made the prints on this holographic paper. So holographic paper. So again, the Walmart bag, it's 7 by 5 by 10, and these were like 3 in a pack for $1, which is really good. And then holographic paper for the sides and the front, so side and front. So I'm just gonna cut this out. And then I tried to make my own custom tissue paper. It got some smudges on there, but I'm still going to combine it with some white and use it. Alright, so now let's assemble this bag. So let's do this. We're going to do the front, and the back first. I'm going to need a hole punch. Alright, so let's do the front first. So this is holographic sticker paper. We're just gonna put it right along the edge of the bag, and then alright, so there's the front of the bag. Oh, it has a little bit under there, so let's see if I can tuck it on. No, I'll probably just cut it, but let's do so that's one side done. So now I need to do this side. So bag doesn't fold that direction, but we're gonna giving. Alright, let's try this another way. Alright, so there's the second side. The first side, the front. I guess this would be the back, the front. And now to do the side, which this one is going to be a bit of a trip. So let's see how is it going to fold. It's going to fold inward like so. So let's see if we can crease this in half. That will help. Right. And then So this sticker paper is way more forgiving than normal sticker paper. It's almost like the CVS repositionable poster paper. I think even more forgiving than that. Trying to get these corners all flushed in. Oh, because there's this bump right here. That's what's causing me to not get it to lay very flat and smooth. Alright, but we'll do our best. Alright, cool. So we got that side. So now to the other side. Oh, actually, forgot. I need to crease it down the middle. That helped. I think that helped as well with the application. Alright. So it's creased down the middle. It looks like it's going to fit the middle of this. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so I'm gonna punch the holes through. Alright, so we got the holes punched through. Now we're gonna put back the string. My tissue paper didn't come out perfect, but it's still usable. So I will be using it. I sent it through my inkjet printer. So I guess it's my first time doing that, and that's perfectly fine. It will take some practice, I guess, to see how my inkjet printer will actually tolerate. And I just what I did, I have the tissue paper, and I just taped it to a sheet of 11 by 17 paper and ran it through the printer. Maybe if I had ironed it to get the creases out, because it was very creased, that could have helped. Alright, so I got this tissue paper. So now I'm just gonna diagonal that, put this over, do this. I guess I should have done the other way. And then put it down. This is my custom So this is my custom gift bag. Custom gift bag with custom gift wrapping paper.